Want to find out which clients and contracts are driving your business forward? Welcome to the Client Profitability Report. This powerful tool gives you a crystal clear picture of your revenue, profit margins, and resource allocation, so you can make smarter, data-driven decisions to grow your MSP. Let me show you how easy it is to access and use this feature. Navigate to the Report section and choose Profitability Report. Remember, by default, only users with the MSP admin role have access to these reports. Now, before diving in, you can customize how the report is calculated, whether it's based on items sent to the billing queue or items already invoiced. Simply click on the settings icon to make your choice. Adjust the time frame to last year or the current year according to your preferences. Let's explore the 3 key sections of the Client Profitability Report, starting with the Revenue Overview. The MRR gives a snapshot of your recurring income, including all active contracts, even those not yet billed. The ARR provides a forecast of your annual revenue, calculated by multiplying MRR by 12. The overall earnings tabulates all the revenue from January of the current year up to the present. This section helps you understand the health of your business at a glance. Next, we have the Client Revenue section, where you can identify which clients are boosting your profits and which ones may require more attention. At the heart of this section is the client versus profit chart. It visually breaks down how much revenue each client generates, the profit they bring, and the hours spent servicing them. Below the chart, you'll find ranked lists of the top 10 most profitable and least profitable clients, along with the revenue they generate, the hours you've invested, and the effective client rate. Finally, we have the Contract Revenue section, focusing on individual contracts. The contract versus profit chart works just like the client chart, giving you a breakdown of revenue, profit, and hours spent for each contract. You'll also find the top 10 and least 10 contracts ranked for profitability, along with an effective contract rate metric, showing you how much revenue is generated per hour for every contract. And there you have it, the Client Profitability Report. It's your go-to tool for understanding your business performance, maximizing profitability, and ensuring your resources are allocated effectively.